when people were commenting under that post and say, but this is not a house, why didn't you say, okay, go back and say, oh, but they say this is not a house? Because you do
people were
not
already
want to hear the
seeing.
truth. You
Okay.
don't want to hear the truth. You want to hear and run.
Post about the house. Like, okay, if you want
Yeah,
the
but
corrections,
now
they
they are
did.
correcting you. You don't want to be corrected.
I want to be corrected with the right picture. If I'm going to do a correction, then it means I must get the
No.
right information.
Yeah, then why don't you go to my hood and go and look for the house
I
yourself?
don't even know
Because
where
you're
your
a
hood
you're a
is.
journalist. Make a plan. Are you not making
Okay.
money from gossip? Make money now. Did you see how Instablog is making money because of gossip? Don't just post because it's fun, because you want to destroy someone's name. Make money out of it. These people that are giving you this gist, they must be paying you for you to post these things. Musa, right now you'd have been making so much money like Instablog, like Linda Ikeji. People who are serious about blogging. Yes, they blog about serious things, but they get paid to blog about them. South Africa, I don't understand why is it fun to say bad things about someone and you're not making money out of it. Yesterday, I made a lot of money by someone saying I'm a home wrecker, which I'm not, but I made money. But
Doromongy gave Musa advice and said that he needs to make money out of gossip and that Musa would have been filthy rich had he made those people who fed him information pay him for the skatas he was writing instead of tweeting for free. She told Musa to take his blogging seriously because he could make a lot of money, you guys. And I must say that she was right about that. Musa would now be a millionaire had he done what Doro is saying to him now. One thing I've noticed about this Instagram influencer is the fact that they really love and worship gossip blogs because they know if they're talked about, brands will want to work with them because of the social media engagements, you guys. Now, hopefully, Musa will make a lot of money, especially now that he is on Twitter, you guys. Now, there you have it. Please do let me know what you think in the comment section below.